Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer class. After the winter break, I hope you all are safe at your home. But now come back to the studies, huh? We are going to do our new chapter, which is based on Excel, in which we can see how we can store our data in Excel and how it is useful. कैसे हम अपने डाटा को एक्सेल में स्टोर कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम इंफॉर्मेशंस को टैबुलेट कर सकते हैं, कैसे टैबुलर फॉर्म में सेल कर सकते हैं, सेल्स क्या होते हैं, एंड जो जिस पेज पर जहां पर आप अपने डाटा को स्टोर करते हैं, अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करते हो, हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट इज इट इज स्प्रेडशीट, जहां पर आप अपने डाटा को स्टोर करते हो, ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्रेडशीट and the collections of these spreadsheet is called workbook. You know very well, a single page is called worksheet and the collections of worksheet is called workbook. So let's start our study. Okay, now we are going to study these all from our book, and next time I'm going to show you with the help of practical what is worksheet and how it will be worked and किस तरह की informations को हम उसमें store कर सकते हैं, how is it possible and what are the components, each and everything I'm going to telling you with the help of practical in the next class. So let's start our study. Okay, let's start reading. Now, what is Excel and what are the uses of Excel? See, in your book on page number 76, beta, you have seen a list of items in tabular form several times. जब देखो आप list देखते हो, whenever you are going to see the list of the items in a tabular form, तो that is called Excel. एक record को store करने का format. For example, the bills you receive from the shops, जब आप shop से bill receive करते हो, the annual report card received from the schools, or the scorecard of a cricket team. These tables with rows and columns are called spreadsheets. Whenever the rows and columns are combined, it creates the spreadsheet. See the bill, the mark sheet, and scored. In all of these, the information will be stored in which form? In tabular form, means the rows and the columns are called spreadsheet. Now, what is spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is defined as a large sheet. This is called spreadsheet, and which contains the data and information like this information, like the teddy bear, the rate of teddy bear, and the name of items. So this type of information like this, you can arrange these informations in rows and columns. It is also known as a worksheet. It is a rectangular table, or we can say that a grid of information, which often contains the financial information of organization. But it is the very easiest way to organize the data in the form of row and column. Hana? We can easily organize the data in the form of rows or columns. Means, see, you have to write the name of subjects. Then after that, you have to write the marks of subject. So these informations can be stored in the form of rows and column. That is called spreadsheet, or that is called information. We can organize it. It is the very easiest way to organize the data in row and column, and this allows the data to be analyzed and interpreted easily. इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, हम अपने डाटा को इजीली एनालाइज कर सकते हैं और इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द नेम, I want to find out the person whose name is Karthik, and I want to know about the marks of English. So if my data is saved in the form of rows or columns, it is very easy to find out the name or the marks of that person. Spreadsheets are useful in the various fields, and they are used in business also. We can also use in the field of engineers, scientists. They all can use the spreadsheets for the complex calculations. A spreadsheet processes the numbers. Beta, you can easily create your spreadsheets in the computer in Excel software. For that, जैसा कि यहाँ पे clear भी है, for that you have to just need for the particular software or the program for it. A computer spreadsheet is also known as an electronic spreadsheet. Why we can say that it is an electronic spreadsheet? Because we can store the data in it. We can store the data in Excel in the form of row or column. It is used for analyzing एंड मैनिपुलेटिंग द सेट ऑफ नंबर्स, मैनिपुलेट करना मीन्स हम उन्हें चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम उसे मोल्ड कर सकते हैं, हम उन्हें एनालाइज कर सकते हैं through a computer spreadsheet के through you can perform the different calculations. Yes, we can easily perform the any type of calculations if our data is stored in spreadsheet at the very high speed in nanoseconds. We can say that very efficiently it will performs every calculation using the different formula. Yes, the one of the most important feature of our Excel is that it provides us some formulas through which we can easily find out or we can easily solve the every calculations within the seconds by using formulas. A spreadsheet program is designed to perform the general computation task. Yes, जो general computational works होते हैं उन्हें perform करने के लिए spreadsheet को डिजाइन किया गया है, because we can store the data in the form of rows or columns, and whenever we want to find out or whenever we want to create any calculations, we want to make any calculation, we can easily create it or make it or solve it with the help of formulas which are given in Excel software. Okay, now how we can start the Excel, how we can open the Excel. Yes, there are some steps are given to open the Excel. First of all, you have to click on MS Excel. Now click the start button C on your desktop, which is shown in your desktop. On the desktop, you have to click on the start button, then type the Excel. या फिर आप एक्सेल को टाइप करो, या फिर आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस, व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस, इन दैट उस पैकेज में भी आपको एक्सेल सॉफ्टवेयर दिखाई देगा. You have to click on it and a list of search results will be appear, and after that you have to click on Excel 2013, and this type of dialog box or this type of screen will be appear in front of you.